Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away from you guys for 2 weeks or so, but I do want to thank all my supporters. Thank you to all my OG subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so before we get into this video today, I do want to say some of the reasons of why I have not been posting anything. Well, your girl got a new job, so if anyone has been with my channel since I started, you guys know that I have been a stay-at-home mom since 2018. So 2020 I finally got a job and I'm trying to get back into school, so a lot of things has been going on, trying to focus back on me, and now I'm trying to focus back on YouTube so you guys can see and continue to see what I'm doing with my hair. I'm not gonna lie, since I have those things going on, I have been a little lazy with my hair. I have neglected my hair. I'm not even gonna lie. So let's get into today's video. I know a lot of you watching probably like, okay, what is that on her head? What is she doing to her hair? So I have twists under here. So I pre-prepped my hair yesterday, just oiled, conditions, and all that stuff in my hair. And I pre-prepped my hair because, like I said, I haven't been taking care of my hair properly. So I just wanted my hair to soak in some oils and some conditioner. So this is what I have underneath. But what I am doing today, like I said, I have been a little lazy, haven't been doing my hair. So I am going to be putting on a oval U-part wig, half wig, whatever you want to call it. This is what I'm doing today because, like I said, I am lazy and I want something quick. I did want to do a different style to my hair, but like I said, I'm starting working, trying to get back into school, and it's just a lot of things going on, and I do not have the same type of time to do my hair like I did before. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I got this oval U-part wig from the beauty supply store. It is $39.99, real cheap. It is synthetic, well, Freetress braided hair, all crocheted hair, synthetic basically. So I will advise probably just wear it 1 to 2 days, you know. All right, so moment of truth. Bam. Let's see how this hair looks. And I'm kind of scared because usually crochet wigs and synthetic wigs are hard, especially for curly hair. So let's look. I've seen it on the mannequin wig and it was actually pretty nice, so I'm kind of over exaggerating to you guys. So this is what this is. I love that anyway. And it only had 1 and 1B. So if you don't like dark hair, then it's probably not for you. And then it comes with like little clips to clip on your head. All right. Okay guys, so I'll say this first. I can tell my hair blends very well with this wig. I was a little skeptical. I was like, maybe I need to curl the ends with a perm rod roller, but I didn't even need to do that, guys. You see how much my hair is blending. But the only thing I do not like, I can tell the difference in where my hair stops and where the hair begins. So I'm gonna try to play with it. as you guys can see, the wig is completely off my head and I'm clipping it back on. It's so many reasons on why I had to do that. So two main reasons was because the wig did not feel secure on my head. So I had to retwist my hair underneath so that the wig can clip onto my head properly. Also, I had to reduce the amount of my hair that I had on top because the leave out was too much and it wasn't blending as well as I wanted it to. So altogether, I just had to take everything off so that everything can blend properly. So basically, you see me kind of playing around with it just so it can come out right. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair. Y'all, I love this. Not only the reason why I love it because of the volume, but I love it because it's so quick and easy and it came out beautiful. All you really have to do is kind of twist the part that you want to leave out of your hair and then clip that bad boy on. It's really soft. The hair does not tangle. I was out at the park yesterday. I was out today. The only thing that I did, not like, you know, natural girls, my leave out became a little frizzy, as you can tell, but it still blends with the wig. Like, everything blends perfectly together. I love it. The hair is soft. It has that extra volume that I want. And just like if I don't want to do a twist out on my hair or braid out or any type of form of anything to my hair, I can just do a little something up top and then clip this on and it'll give me the perfect curly volume look that I'm going for. It is so quick and easy, like I said. Like I mentioned, there's no shedding. It's soft, no tangles. It is perfect. I was a little skeptical because crochet fake curly hair sometimes tends to tangle up, but it did not do that. Like I said, the only con of this, my hair kind of frizzed up a little bit when I was out, but it still, like I said, blends perfectly. And it's really good for it to be $39.99 at the beauty supply store. Synthetic crochet wig, like, this is a bomb for it to be like this. Like, I really love it. I would definitely put this in my hair because, like I said, work, school, everything, I need something that's on the go and I could just boom. At first I was going to get clip-ins, but then I'm like, that's too much. Like, I'm too lazy for that. So this was like perfect. This was perfect for me. On the go. Bam. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.